Welcome to this video by SuiteMatrix IT Solutions. Today, we will explore how to efficiently hide, remove, and edit buttons for child records in NetSuite. NetSuite is an incredibly powerful business management software. However, customizing it to suit your specific needs can significantly streamline your workflow. In this tutorial, we will walk you step by step through adjusting button visibility for child records. This customization allows you to simplify the user interface and enhance user experience. Before we jump to the solution, let's understand why you might want to hide or remove buttons for child records. Typically, you want to control user actions to prevent accidental deletions or modifications, especially in complex workflows. In this video, we'll guide you through removing the child record controls in NetSuite. First, navigate to Lists, Relationships, then click on Customers. On the Customers page, select the customer for whom you want to remove the child record, and click the View button. In the Customers page, go to the Transactions tab. Here, you'll see the category you need to remove. Next, go to Customization, Lists, Records and Fields, Record Types. On the Record Types page, you'll see a list of available records. For this task, I'm selecting the Customer Test Records. The Customer Record Type page will display. Here, unselect the Show Remove link and click Save. Refresh the Customer page. Go back to Transactions, and you'll see that the Remove Action link has been removed. And that's it. You've successfully removed the child record. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful videos from SuiteMatrix IT Solutions. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you for watching,